So in today's video, we're going to be reviewing the Milwaukee tire inflator, and this uses a M12 battery. And there's a couple little accessories you could purchase for this tire inflator in case you want to make the install a lot quicker. And today we're going to be testing them. One of them is in this little pack right here. So this is how it looks like out of the box. Pretty easy to use. And then right here is where the battery goes, and it uses a M12 3.0, but you could also upgrade to the 6.0 if you wanted to for a little bit more power. And it's pretty easy to use. You just press that in, and then you put your PSI that you want to go up to, and you go ahead and just press this to start inflating it. So one thing we're going to do is we're going to time it. I'm going to put the tire to 30 psi, and then we're going to time it with the accessory and without the accessory to see how fast it will go and if it's worth spending $10 on that little accessory. We're going to be timing it is we're going to be loosening the valve cap, putting the inflator, putting it to 35, and then taking it out and then putting the valve cap back on, and that's going to be the full time run. So go ahead and start it. And as you can see, it's 30 psi, so we're going to press it all the way up to 35. And then all right, so we're at 1 minute 17 seconds. So let's go ahead and put the attachment on. So this one also comes with a couple little accessories. I don't know what these two do right here. This one over here is for like soccer balls, footballs, and pretty much anything that uses this type of attachment. And this is the accessory I bought. It's a little quick release, so you just kind of press it, put it in there, and then take it out, and it's really easy. There's one that comes with a little bit of extra hose in case you want a little bit more. I chose to do this one. It's a little bit more minimal because it's just gonna attach right here and it's still gonna fit, and it's really easy to install. You just thread it in there, but just like that. And I really like it. I like the design, the same bronze or brass material. We're gonna go ahead and just release the air again and then put it to 30. We're gonna be doing the same test, except this time we're gonna be doing it with the attachment. And it's at 30 psi, so go ahead and put the valve cap back on, and then we're gonna time it. 1, 2, 3, go. $57 seconds, so that's like literally 20 seconds of time saved, which is really good. I think for like $10 I ended up purchasing it. I got tired of just threading it every single time and make something a little bit quicker. And just since I have this battery, I'm gonna go ahead and try it. I still have full battery for the smaller one, but I just want to see if a stronger, bigger battery makes the inflator faster, or if it just doesn't do anything, it just gives you more battery. So we're going to be doing the exact same test. So putting it to 30 and then 35. All right, 1, 2, 3, go. All right, well, pretty similar time. I don't think it really makes a difference of putting a bigger battery. I think just so you could have the battery last a little bit longer. Another good thing about these batteries is you could use it on other tools / attachments / products from Milwaukee. And for my birthday, I ended up getting a Milwaukee kind of heated jacket, all weather, kind of water resistant, waterproof, and it comes with this little attachment right here. Yeah, pretty much I think it's a battery bank, and then you could go ahead and just put one of these, go ahead and just connect it, and it turns on like that, and you could charge your phone or you could power the jacket. And it has a lot of pockets, has one on both sides, has a bigger one over here, small one up here, and then it also has a small one inside right here as well. And then right here, you could turn it on, just like that. And it has different levels, it has 3 levels. And then one side powers the back and the other side powers the stomach, where you put your hands for your hand warmers, and then it also powers the chest as well. So I like that it's interchangeable between your tire inflator and your jacket and a couple other accessories. So overall guys, we found the video to be helpful, or you're thinking about purchasing one of these. We'll put some affiliated links in the video in case you guys want to purchase it. I do get a little bit of a kickback from those affiliated links, which all that goes back into the channel, filming more content for you guys and be able to film stuff like this. These batteries are really expensive, so yeah, anything helps. And comment down below if you guys want me to film anything that you guys have been wanting to purchase, and it might help working on your car, or just like something that you want to do around the house you've been meaning to buy but first you want to look up some videos. Comment down below. I would love to review it, and I actually use the tool. I mean, I've been having this thing for close to a year and a half now, and this accessory I've been meaning to buy. I've just been super cheap and frugal and not actually doing it. I decided to purchase it because it was on sale, so I saved like $2 or $1, and I pulled the trigger. So I was like, might as well make a video. Maybe some of you guys have been meaning to buy this, so why not purchase it? So far I'll give this a 10 out of 10. Really good quality. But that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching. Good vibes. Until next time, peace.